Sticker, gusto mo? There you go. Moto Popsi. Moto Popsi.
Sticker ditli.
You're welcome. Moto Popsi.
Never listen when you would listen to me and make the wrong decisions, resisting the help I need. Oh, I know I could have done better. Oh, to keep you next to me. They say to blame it on the weather. Oh, hell no. I could have done better. I could have done better.
Hi. Thank you, kuya. I'm actually standing up on the bike. Hurot na. Wait, tanaw ko. Ay, kanina pa. Usap pa, Jude.
Can I tell the truth? The way